My name is Lonnie Evans. I'm 57 years old. I was injured at work in 2014. I had a large compressor, 26,000 pounds, was improperly rigged and fell on my foot, causing a inoperable crush injury to my right foot. My foot was subsequently amputated. A year later, I lost my lower leg on my right side due to it not healing and a lot of nerve and tissue damage, etc. The company that I worked for was cited by OSHA for workplace violations, and I began the task of trying to recover or rebuild my life, not just physically, but emotionally, financially, and had to get an attorney. Went to my workplace and asked for help on a couple of different occasions, and I was told to get an attorney. I had meetings with a few different firms, did not feel comfortable or safe with those firms, and found Mr. Roberts, Jeff Roberts Law, in the Yellow Pages, and called his number, set up an appointment, and came to talk to Mr. Roberts, and felt very comfortable with him. My wife and I discussed it, and we decided that we would hire him. Did so, and the story begins. So we're arguing and trying to manipulate our way through, or be manipulated as we made our way through the recovery process with the insurance company. It's an uphill battle, and Mr. Roberts helped guide us and keep us headed in the legally correct direction and the medically correct direction. And without him, I don't think I would have gotten some of the surgery that I needed, that the doctors had recommended. And it still took months to get them with him pushing. But without his help, I would not have gotten no surgery, and my physical condition would be much worse than it is now. So that being said, 6.5 years later, we have finally settled out with the insurance company, and no one ever gets what they think they're worth or what they think it was fair. And I did not get what I think was fair, but I got substantially more than what the insurance company had ever offered me. The numbers that they offered me for someone that was making $150,000 a year was a slap in the face, and Mr. Roberts held strong to them, and we made up our minds that if we had to go to court and battle this thing out, that's exactly what we would do. Subsequently, the insurance company did settle with us with a number that I can live with. I'm still not happy. I'll never be happy because it's not what I would have made, but is almost the absolute max that Kentucky law allows. So that being said, I'm ecstatic with what happened in the grand scheme of things, and I would highly recommend this gentleman to represent anyone in a workplace injury in the state of Kentucky.